Hello, welcome back to our channel. Happy I can share biology with you guys, okay, through YouTube, okay. Question 36 is about variation, phenotype, and just one keyword is important. Can you see it? Stabilizing selection. So stabilize, make it stable. So there are different sizes of them, and this is have a population. Okay, normally it should be a bell shape, right? So if it is a stabilizing selection, so stabilizing in the middle, right? Stabilizing, no change. So the middle one is favorable. This phenotype, middle one phenotype is favorable, has a higher frequency to occur. So which one are the answer? A, B, C, D. Look at it. Yes, you got it. You found it. You just have the concept stabilizing variation, stabilizing selection, middle is favorable. Then you can find out the result. Okay. There will be thousands of different types of questions. Okay, but the key concept a few. So large are common, small common, small and large are very fun. Medium size less frequent. Oh, so the answer is D. Okay. Smaller and larger are rarely found because they are uncommon. They are not favorable. So that's it. You got it? Yes. You're terrific. See you for next question. Bye.